Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed the questions and answers of polymer chapter. Okay. बहुत जन तापर भी सॉल्व करी मते पठेइछ आउ कि जन बाकी अछ एक्सपेक्ट करूची समस्त मते पठेबो आंसर बिकॉज़ इट इज ओनली मेड फॉर यू जो कहितली काई कि ना जो टेक्स्ट बुक तुमर अछि से टेक्स्ट बुक रो ही तुमर क्वेश्चन आसीओ सो यू विल बी गेटिंग ऑल द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक and that's why I discussed all the questions and answers of chapter polymer. So in the meanwhile we have completed 2 chapters, so we will be starting a new chapter today, that is biomolecules. So obviously biomolecules means molecules which are active in the living body रे जो molecule active अछि which are responsible for their vitality, they are known as biomolecules. जानि हम बॉडी भितरे बा लिविंग बॉडी भितरे हर अपन कंटीन्यूअसली केमिकल रिएक्शन इज गोइंग ऑन व्हिच आर नोन एज बायोकेमिकल रिएक्शंस और बायोकेमिकल प्रोसेस. सो जते लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म जोटे निश्वास नउची खाउची ये करची मूव करची, दैट मींस एवरी टाइम continuously some reactions are going through the body. So these reactions are known as biochemical reactions, and the chemistry dealing with these things is known as biochemistry. So biomolecule is a part of biochemistry. Mainly हमें जो our important building blocks of life जो molecules, the molecules which are important for living body are known as biomolecules. तेणु हमें mostly discuss करें biomolecules like carbohydrate, fats, proteins, lipids, nucleic acid, along with हमें और कुछ discuss करेंगे कौन ना vitamins and hormones. So in this chapter we will be discussing all these things. कौन कौन कहली मन रहिला ना carbohydrates, fats, nucleic acid, then lipids, proteins, fats, then vitamins and hormones. Okay. So जो माने biology first year रे पढिछ तांको पई इजी लागिवो खाली just you need to compare it. But for IT students you have to work hard on it. ठीक है, तुमको बेसिक टा बुझिया पड़िवो. And mostly this topic is asked as short question of 1 to 2 marks and maximum of short note of 3 marks. Okay, so details ame पढिया जे short question involve अछि, we will be going through the chapter in details. Okay, so let us start with the first one, that is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Okay, so the name suggests itself what are carbohydrates. Now hydrates of carbon. Carbohydrates means hydrates of carbon. Hydrates of carbon. That's why it is named as carbohydrates. Hydrates of carbon. This is the old definition. Modern definition I will be telling you next one. Okay. So hydrates of carbon. For example, we take the case of C6H12O6. This is a carbohydrate. Okay, it may be glucose, it may be fructose. So next we will discuss what is the difference between these two. Okay, so their general formula of carbohydrates. General formula of carbohydrates is CxH2O. So what is the general formula of carbohydrates? Now CxH2O, where X and Y may be different from each other or they may be same. देखिबा एटा फिट होची कि नै देखो CX तेनु CX जगह लिखते C6H2O6. So glucose or fructose can be written in this form. So this is a hydrate of carbon. Okay, fits into the general formula. Okay. So this is the example of a carbohydrate having general formula CxH2O. So definition मन रहिला old definition. Carbohydrate कहा कहबा ना these are the hydrates of carbon. Carbohydrate काम कोन? It provides us energy. Our energy source होची any living organism पई होची carbohydrate. So that is the intake of energy or the source of energy. Carbohydrates are the source of energy. Carbohydrate काम कोन? They are the source of energy inside the living organisms. So we get energy from carbohydrate. There is a problem. So what is this? HCHO. This is called formaldehyde. This is called formaldehyde. So we can write it as C1H2O1. That means the general formula of carbohydrates. So formaldehyde also fits into general formula of carbohydrate, but it is not a carbohydrate. So that is the problem. Then CH3COOH. What is this? Now this is acetic acid. This is acetic acid. Okay, केमती लिख परिया देखो कारण केतरा होची दुईटा C2 हाइड्रोजन चारिटा ऑक्सीजन दुईटा दैट मींस H2O2. So again it fits into the general formula of carbohydrate, but janicho acetic acid is also not a carbohydrate. So that is another problem. Then deoxyribose. Deoxyribose, that is C5H10O4. C5H10O4. It is called deoxyribose, which is actually a carbohydrate. Which is actually a carbohydrate. Okay? The deoxyribose is actually a carbohydrate. किंतु ये फॉर्मूला पढ़ुची देखो पढ़ुनी C5H2O कौन सी नंबर आसुनी, so it does not fit into the formula although it is a carbohydrate. That means our जो old definition थिला that the carbohydrates are the hydrates of carbon and if their general formula is CxH2O, is no longer valid. आउ valid नुहे ता obsolete है काहे की ना तुमको cause कहि देली. If this is so, then formaldehyde and acetic acid are carbohydrates and deoxyribose, which is actually a carbohydrate, is not a carbohydrate. बुझिला? So that is the problem with the old definition. ताले कोन हबो नुआ definition को आसीबा बे. So we'll come to the new definition. So new definition kon na monna kocha. So carbohydrates are optically active polyhydroxy aldehydes or polyhydroxy ketones or the substances which yield or produce these on hydrolysis. So you have to remember this definition. Carbohydrates are optically active polyhydroxy aldehydes or polyhydroxy ketones, polyhydroxy aldehydes or polyhydroxy ketones or the substances which produce these. These means the polyhydroxy aldehydes or polyhydroxy ketones on hydrolysis. So you have to remember the modern definition. Okay. So it is clear now that the carbohydrates may contain a aldehyde group. It may contain a aldehyde group or aldehyde functional group. Or it may contain a keto group, keto or ketone, keto functional group. That is a ketone. So it may contain any of these two functional groups. Either it will be a aldehyde group containing carbohydrate or it will be a keto group containing aldehyde. keto group containing carbohydrate. Okay, accordingly ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ କହିଥିଲା ପୂର୍ବରୁ difference କଣ ନା glucose is aldohexose ଆସିବି ତାପରେ ନେମିଂ କୁ. So what is glucose na glucose is aldohexose. That means glucose रे को functional group अछि ना aldehyde functional group अछि. So glucose is actually written as aldohexose. So सेमती fructose is written as ketohexose. So fructose is written as ketohexose. ताले बे first difference जानि परलो. What is the difference between glucose and fructose? Now they contain different functional groups. So the carbohydrates are the source of energy which we intake in the form of food. Then old definition thila, they are the hydrates of carbon having general formula CxH2O, which no longer is valid. काहे की ना exception देखे दिली तुमको मन पर exception पचार ले. You have to write down these three examples. कौन ना formaldehyde and acetic acid, although they fit into the formula of CxH2O, they are not carbohydrates. तुम जानी चो. But deoxyribose, which is actually a carbohydrate, does not fit into the formula. Okay, so this is all about your carbohydrates. Next we will go to classification of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates को बहुत प्रकार में classify करी परिबा. जथा based on the functional group, then based on the number of carbon atoms they have, then based on the number of products they give on hydrolysis, then based on their taste, whether they are sweet in taste or not sweet in taste, and finally on the basis of their reducing nature, whether they reduce tolerance and reagent or not. Accordingly, so there are classification of carbohydrates. ताले पांचटा way रे हम classify करिबा. There are 5 different ways. First, based on the functional group. जानि परथु हेबे. So there are 2 functional groups, that is aldehyde group and a keto group. So based on this, the first classification is there, based on the functional group. Second classification कौन कहली? Based on the number of carbon atoms they have. 3 to आरंभ करी onwards अछि. So accordingly they have been named. जेमते लिखि जो aldohexose. Aldo means it contains aldehyde group. Hex means it contains 6 carbon atoms. Then OH. Remember OH always means sugar. OH stands for sugar. आ ଗୋଟେ टर्म अछि saccharone. आसीबा पे जतले monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, polysaccharide को आसीबा सेठी टर्म गुड आसीबो saccharone. Saccharone is also means sugar. Okay, so first basis होछि based on the functional group. Second basis of classification is based on the number of carbon atom. Third basis of classification is the number of products which they produce or give upon hydrolysis. Hydrolysis में से माने केतरा प्रोडक्ट दउछंती. For example, monosaccharides सही परिबे जो माने hydrolysis होंती नहीं. ताले oligosaccharides, oligo means a few, अल्प देश माने 2 to 10. So which give 2 to 10 products. They are oligosaccharides. Oligo means a few. Then poly means many, which give more than 10 products on hydrolysis. They are called polysaccharides. पढ़िथियो first year रे. So that is the next basis of classification. सेमाने hydrolysis रे केतेटा product दउचंती. Then next, based on their taste, किछि carbohydrate अछि. For example, तुमर glucose, fructose, sucrose, तुमे जोटा खाउचो, टेबल सुगर जोटा कहउचो तुमे मीठा लागछि नहीं. So it is sweet in taste, but still some carbohydrate अछि like तुमर starch etc. They are not sweet in taste. Okay, so next basis of classification is the taste, sweetness. जो माने किछि मीठा लागिबे नहीं. Then final basis of classification, as I told you, कौन ना they are reducing nature. Okay, tolerance reagent of failing solution को जो reduce करि परिबे, they are reducing sugars. जो करि परिबेनी, so they are non reducing sugars. Okay, so next we'll discuss classification of carbohydrates. Okay, so next students, as I told you, we are going to classification of carbohydrates. Okay, so they are classified in 5 different ways. Koitili lekhiba on the basis of, so first basis hochi on the basis of functional groups. कहितली दुई प्रकार फंक्शनल ग्रुप होई परियो कोन कोन कहली ना aldehydes and ketones so aldehyde group CHO होई परियो नले keto group रहइबो CO accordingly the carbohydrate is of two types okay polyhydroxy aldehydes and polyhydroxy ketones okay next is on the basis of number of carbon atoms से कार्बोहाइड्रेट रे केतेटा कार्बन एटम अछि अकॉर्डिंगली सेम दी क्लासिफाई हम करि परिबा कहितली नेमिंग टा हम कहितली तुमको सो नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स पर डिपेंड करी नेक्स्ट बेसिस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन देन थर्ड वन व्हिच इज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट on the basis of number of products on hydrolysis हेले सन केतरा प्रोडक्ट दोचन तापर बेस करके तीन प्रकार क्लासिफिकेशन नै परिबो कोन कोन कहली ना फर्स्ट वन इज monosaccharides mono means one जानचो that means they contain a single unit only and they do not undergo hydrolysis मानकर hydrolysis हेई पारे नै so they are called monosaccharides then next is oligosaccharides oligo माने कोन कहली a few that means they give 2 to 10 units on hydrolysis हेले केतेटा ना 2 टा रु 10 टा पर्यंत यूनिट दियंती जो माने से कार्बोहाइड्रेट को हम कहबा oligosaccharides then जो माने more than 10 दियंती से मान कहबा polysaccharides so on the basis of this the carbohydrates are of three types monosaccharides mono means one saccharon means sugar monosaccharides then oligo means few means one नथिबो 2 ru 10 oligosaccharides and poly means many more than 10 हैला तेनु नेक्स्ट बेसिस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन होची प्रोडक्ट ऑफ हाइड्रोलिसिस चार होची ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ स्वीटनेस कहिछि तुमको किछि शुगर मीठा लागंती किछि शुगर मीठा लागंती नै बा किछि कार्बोहाइड्रेट मीठा लागंती तापा हम शुगर कहबो जो मन मीठा लागंती नै तापा हम कहबो नॉन शुगर्स सो on the basis of sweetness जे मीठा लागियो तापा हम कहबो शुगर जे मीठा लागियो नै तापा हम कहबा नॉन शुगर mainly the polycarbohydrate that means the polysaccharides they are non sugars okay then last on the basis of reducing nature so तो कार्बोहाइड्रेट कौन करे ना इट रिड्यूसेस कहा का कौन लिखिबो टॉलेंस रिएजेंट TOLLEN टॉलेंस रिएजेंट एंड फैलिंग सॉल्यूशन टॉलेंस reagent and failing solutions so they can reduce these two जो मन reduce करिबा ताको हम कहबा reducing sugar जो मन reduce करि परन ताको कहबा non reducing sugar so these are the 5 different bases of classification we'll start with the first one on the basis of functional groups अच्छा तुमको एक आपने टर्म कहली छ खाली जस्ट तुमको मेंशन कर दोची तुमको तो क्वेश्चन आसला व्हाट इज ऑप्टिकली एक्टिव मींस जहां पाखरे एसिमेट्रिक मॉलिक्यूल थिबो द कंपाउंड शुड बी एसिमेट्रिक इट शुड बी कंटेनिंग ए कायरल कार्बन का कहबा ना कायरल कार्बन और इट इज आल्सो नोन एज एसिमेट्रिक कार्बन तुमको फर्स्ट ईयर सार पढैतिले माने थिबो तुमको कायरल कार्बन बा एसिमेट्रिक कार्बन व्हिच इज एसोसिएटेड और अटैच्ड टू 4 डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स और 4 डिफरेंट एटम्स हला तक कहबा हमें कायरल कार्बन so the compounds containing chiral carbon or which are asymmetric in nature they show optical isomerism or they are optically active that means they can rotate the plane of polarized light जो माने पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन में बुलेले ताको हम असाइन करिया प्लस सिंबल दैट मींस दे रोटेट द प्लेन इन क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन क्लॉकवाइज बुलेबे जो माने एंटी क्लॉकवाइज बुलेबे ताको हम असाइन करबा एंटी क्लॉकवाइज so those compounds which can rotate the plane polarized light are called optically active are known as optically active compounds so the carbohydrates are optically active अच्छा एठी तुमको आगु छुआ आसीबो DL notation किछि बुक्स रे कंफ्यूज कराइछि तुमको DL होछि तुम्हारा ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी संगे नो दे आर कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट इट इज DL notation is was given by Fisher and it is completely different from these optical activity that is plus and minus okay it is mainly given assigned with respect to glyceraldehyde notation को कंपेयर करके हम परे सिखिबा केमते DL notation दिया जाय सो एटा दिके कंफ्यूज होबो नाही DL notation is not same as your optical activity they are completely different okay then coming back to our portion again on the basis of functional group रा हमें डिवाइड करबा okay so next we'll be discussing the first basis of classification that is on the basis of functional groups देखो functional group अनुसार कहितली the carbohydrate may be of two types one containing aldehyde group that is CHO जोथि CHO group लागि थिबो त कोन कहबा polyhydroxyaldehyde आ जोथि keto group लागि थिबो ताल तक कहबा polyhydroxy ketone so accordingly the carbohydrate can be of two types aldehyde group लागि छ त कहबा polyhydroxy aldehyde or aldose त कहबा aldose ald for aldehyde OAC कहितली OH means sugar then आकु तार कोन कहबा हमें ketones okay जोडी keto functional group अछि that means which is a ketone ताको हम कहबा ketone or it is a polyhydroxy ketone so as the name suggests it contains many hydroxy groups so these are the structures or difference between glucose and fructose so glucose hochi eta this is your fructose how many carbon atoms they contain what is the general formula of these two now C6H12O6 so both glucose and fructose have the same general formula C6H12O6 so this is the common formula but they differ in their functional groups ताका difference कोन होची ना they differ in their functional groups जेमति रहिची सेमति मन रखियो ओके सो जदि हम नंबरिंग करिया देखो कार्बन एटम नंबर 1 2 3 4 5 6 okay so here also 1 2 3 4 5 okay so there are 6 carbon atoms so C6H12O6 okay look here there is a CHO group तो ना कौन कहबा हमें aldehyde group so it is glucose is a aldose okay सेमति देखो एटी फंक्शनल ग्रुप कोन रहला keto group so it is a ketose so जोटा हाइलाइट कर देछि they are the functional groups associated with glucose and fructose so that is the main difference between these two अच्छा जदि हमें छ मन रखिबा देखो aldehyde group जोटा CHO तेणु यार वैलेंसी केते 1 so वैलेंसी होची 1 so definitely it is attached to the end of the chain तो मन रखिबो तोर aldehyde जेतर होची valency 1 it is attached to the end of the chain हला end of the chain सेमति जदि कीटोन को आसीबा देखो कीटोन C double bond O. Valence kete 2. So it can be associated or attached to any carbon atom. But in case of naturally occurring carbohydrates, all naturally occurring carbohydrates, it is attached to C2. That means second carbon atom. Chiragoma basis. So it can be attached anywhere. At least some yes सबले कोट रहेगा ना at the end of the chain. हैला starting रे रहेगा सबले कोटा aldehyde group टा. But ketone can be present anywhere. But in case of naturally occurring carbohydrates, to present naturally occurring carbohydrate, it should be present at C2. That means second carbon atom. So that is the difference to be remembered. Next naming को आसीबा. देखो एपटे भी 6टा अछि, एपटे भी 6टा अछि. तेनु कोन कहबा एटा को aldehyde group लागिछि तेनु स्टार्ट करबा aldo. 6 carbon atoms means hex. Aldo hex. Then it's a sugar. Sugar by कोन लागिबो OH. So glucose is known as aldohexose. Naming ta बनला. Aldo means it contains aldehyde group. Hex means it contains 6 carbon atoms. OH means sugar. ताले आर नेम कोन हबो देखो को कीटोज बा हेक्सोकीटोज आर नेम हबो कोन हबो ना कीटोज बा हेक्सोकीटोज. कार्बन एटम केतरा अछि ना 6टा तेनु हेक्सोकीटोज बा कीटोहेक्सोज जा कहिते हेक्सोकीटोज बा कीटोहेक्सोज. ओके कीटो हेक्सोकीटोज कहि परिबो नले जनरल नेम कोन ना कीटो ग्रुप पाई लागिला कीटो 6 पाई लागिला हेक्स ओज. So you remember this one. This is better. Keto means it contains a keto group. Hex means 6 carbon atoms. OH means sugar. So it's better that you remember the first form of second form of naming, that is ketohexose. Okay. So this is the first basis of classification of carbohydrates. एतिक मन रखिबो जहा जहा कहली जेमति वे रे कहली सेमति मन रखिबो. आ सबले मन रखिबो valency पई ये सबले स्टार्टिंग रे लागिबो चेन ले. It can be present anywhere because it is divalent, but in case of naturally occurring carbohydrates, it is present at C2, second carbon atom re. Okay. So this is for today. In the next class we will discuss the remaining type of classifications. कहि देछि कोन कोन हबो. So we will be discussing them in details. So this is for today. Thank you very much.